Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna edit this picture to something like this using free apps Snapseed and Lightroom mobile. So for the tutorial, let's get into the video. I'll first import the image in Snapseed. Now go to the tools, tune image, and this looks so dark, so I'll increase the brightness around 31 and also some contrast around 15%. And increasing saturation to pop the image and decreasing highlights for more details in the sky, and increasing shadows to brighten the darkened area and a bit of warmth. Going back to the tools, this time I'll select details. I'll increase the structure of the image and also some sharpening. First, I'll try to change the color of that river using white balance, decreasing white balance to 100% and a bit of tint, which gives picture a bluish tone. Click done, tap on the three dots on the top, view edits, zooming in and carefully brushing only on the river. Now I'll try to give the picture a foggy look. This time I'll select curves and RGB, lifting down from bottom to top, that basically brighten the image. Click done. Going back to the masking screen and carefully applying this with the various level of brush value. This time I'll try to give this picture a sunset look using white balance, increasing temperature, a bit of tint. Click done. Going back to the masking screen. I'll only apply this on the clouds, carefully brushing on the sky. You can see where the effect is applying by tapping the eye icon down there. This time I'll use curves to darken the image, darkening down from middle a bit. I'll apply this on the certain part of the image to make it more natural. This time I'll use selective to pop the greens, using selective here and placing it on the green part and increasing saturation to pop the image. Copy it again and pasting it to the another side. Doing this couple of times for the details on the image. Now I'll use vintage filter to give the picture a dramatic look. Selecting vintage filter here and preset 12, a bit of stylish strength. Click done. Moving back to the masking screen. And with effect applying, first I'll remove the brightness from middle part of the image and also carefully brushing on the other part of the image. This time using curves, I'll brighten the sky. Again going back to the curves, this time selecting greens and darkening down from middle a bit, which turns into color magenta. And with masking, applying this only on the mountain. Doing some tuning here and tune image. And exporting it to the Lightroom mobile for more color grading. Here in Lightroom, I'll first increase some whites and also decrease some blacks. And decreasing highlights for more details in the sky. Moving to the color mix menu and selecting yellow here and decreasing hue of it. And selecting greens here, increasing a bit of hue, also increasing saturation to pop the greens. Selecting orange and decreasing hue of it to pop the sky. To give that river more color and brightness, I'll use blue and increase some saturation and luminance as well. As you can notice, there is a lot of magenta color, which basically known as purple, and selecting purple here and decreasing saturation to fix the problem, decreasing a bit of temperature here and increasing a bit of tint, also increasing vibrance to give color to the overall image, increasing texture and clarity here to increase the picture quality, and decreasing a bit of vignette and increasing a bit of TH as well. Moving forward and increasing a bit of sharpening and reducing noise by increasing noise reduction. So as you can see, before and after. Saving it to the gallery. Thanks for watching.